Hi, this is Ozioma Precious from Ibotic Ozioma, and what I have here is a novel called Nwamma. Nwamma is written by Obonayama Okoro. In the previous video I made, we read the first paragraph. This is called Isi Nkem Nwata Ruo N'Igbo. So we've already read this first paragraph. So now we are looking at the second paragraph. So I would like you to read after me. Site n'ịrụsi ọrụ ike. Say it after me. This is where we are. Hope you can say it. That's this second paragraph, this second part of it. That's where we are. Site n'ịrụsi ọrụ ike. Aha ya na-ada ụda ebe niile. That site n'ịrụsi ọrụ ike means from through working hard, working very hard. His name is that he became very popular. But if I'm to translate it directly, it means that his name is sounding everywhere. Now though they benili, but that's to say he became well known. Yeah, that's a way of saying he became well known. Now let's look at the second sentence there. Ọtụtụ ụmụ nwanyị hụkwara ya n'anya maka na o nweghị onye nriju afọ na-asọ nsọ. That's to say that several women, ọtụtụ here means several, many, plenty, ụmụ nwanyị, many women hụkwara ya n'anya. No, ịfụnanya is love. Hụkwara ya n'anya, that's love him. Maka na, because o nweghị onye nriju afọ na-asọ nsọ. That's to say that this is also a proverb. That's to say that o nweghị onye nriju afọ na-asọ nsọ means directly translating is that's to say that there is nobody that to eat to his or her satisfaction is something the person distaste. You know, sometimes that translating something directly might lose the exact meaning. But this also a proverb. No, this is the second proverb I'm coming across in this book. The first paragraph we read the other day had a proverb which was maka na onye ogologo anaghị ezo ezo n'anya. So that's to say this book is rich in Igbo proverbs. So by reading this book, you also learn a whole lot of Igbo proverbs. So this one is onweghị onye nriju afọ na-asọ nsọ. Onweghị onye nriju afọ na-asọ nsọ. That's to say that everybody desires good thing. That's what it actually means. It directly means that nriju afọ means to eat to your belly full. This also means the taste. That's to say that nobody detests eating to their satisfaction, which to say everybody desires good thing. And there is another proverb that is similar to this proverb. It says that onye tinye mmanụ anwụ n'ọnụ ọgbụpụ. That's another proverb very similar to this. So in our Igbo reading class, we will come across a proverb, and if there is any other proverb that is similar to it, I will let you know. Because a similar proverb to this is onweghị onye tinyere mmanụ anwụ n'ọnụ ọgbụpụ. That's to say that there is nobody that they put honey, directly translating it in the mouth, and the person spits it out. Which to say, if good things reaches you, or if you have opportunity to benefit from good things, you will not avoid it. You of course claim it. So everybody desires good things. That's definitely what he's trying to say. So let's enter the next sentence. Nwa agbọghọ ọbụla nọ n'Odenigbo na-ekpe ekpere ka obi ekwe na-eleru anya ala iji mara ma o nwere otu okwe ga-esi gba. Nwa agbọghọ means maiden. Nwa agbọghọ, maiden. That's to say young ladies of marriageable age. That's what the word nwa agbọghọ means. So when you hear someone say nwa agbọghọ or nwa agbọghọbịa, as some parts of Igbo land will say, that's to say that a lady that has reached puberty. So they say nwa agbọghọ ọbụla, that's every maiden in Odenigbo are praying, na-ekpe ekpere, are praying, or they pray that obiekwe will look at their side. So let them know if that's another there's another proverb here. Ka obiekwe na-eleru anya ala iji mara ma o nwere otu okwe ga-esi gba. Okwe ịgba means if someone say no okwe ma agbana, that's to say that something you are targeting has happened. You are targeting something and that thing has happened. So their target, they desire Obiekwe, that Obiekwe should look at their side. Let them know if they are okay. We wala. Permit me using a mixture of Igbo and English. That's to know if they will get married to him. Definitely, that's what he's trying to say. Okay. So in our upcoming Igbo reading class, we'll be reading this novel very slowly, and you'll be saying it after me. Just it will be done like as though you're in primary one. That's how it will be done. You'll be saying it after me, and your pronunciation is one thing we'll be looking at to ensure you pronounce the words accurately. So this Igbo reading class will be improving your pronunciation, and we'll all get new words like ọtụtụ ụmụ nwanyị, several women, nwa agbọghọ. When we get some new words, we'll highlight it, tell you the meaning of these new words. I can make one or two sentences with that word and give you an assignment to go make your own sentences with such word, which will mark within the week ahead of our next Igbo reading class. Okay, so this Igbo reading class will be focusing on your pronunciation of words. Will be focusing on you acquiring new Igbo vocabulary, being able to use it on your pronounce it accurately and use it on your own, and also your Igbo reading and writing. So that is not how you will do this join this Igbo reading class, and your ability to pronounce words, ability to read Igbo and write will not improve massively. So our upcoming Igbo reading class will be reading this novel titled Nwamma. For details, please kindly check the comment section.